Welcome back to our English lesson. Today's lesson is about useful phrases for starting a conversation. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident beginning conversations in English. Let's start. Phrase 1. Hi, how's your day going? You can use this at work, school, or even online. Use this when you want to start casually. Example, hi, how's your day going? I hope it's been good so far. This works well with friends or colleagues. It's a simple way to show interest. Notice how natural it sounds in everyday English. Phrase 2. Mind if I join you? Use this when you want to enter a group politely. Example, mind if I join you? I'd love to hear what you're talking about. It's perfect for social settings like lunch or casual meetings. It shows respect for the other person's space. This phrase makes you sound approachable. It helps you connect without interrupting. Phrase 3. What brings you here today? It's great for networking events or classes. It helps you learn more about the person. Keeps the conversation flowing naturally. Use this when you want to open a friendly conversation. This phrase invites the other person to share. Example, what brings you here today? Are you attending the same event? It works well when you notice an object or activity. It shows curiosity and engagement. This phrase makes the other person feel valued. Phrase 4. That looks interesting. Tell me more. It's a natural way to keep talking. Use this when you notice something about the person. It's a great way to show curiosity and make the other person feel valued. Example, that looks interesting. Tell me more. Where did you get it? Phrase 5. Have you been here before? Use this when you want to connect in a new place. It's perfect for classes, cafes, or events. It helps you find common ground. This phrase invites the other person to share experiences. Example, have you been here before? I'm still getting used to it. It's a simple way to build rapport. Let's review. Phrase 1. Hi, how's your day going? Phrase 2. Mind if I join you? Phrase 3. What brings you here today? Phrase 4. That looks interesting. Tell me more. Phrase 5. Have you been here before? Good job today. Practice these phrases daily to sound more confident and natural in English. Practice these phrases regularly to make conversations flow more smoothly and feel more natural. Follow and subscribe for more lessons like this. Share this lesson with friends or classmates so they can improve their English along with you.
Subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos.
Help this channel grow by subscribing. Thank you very much.